Wadla ka jingyarung yami jong ki nongyelam bat ki kertong jong ki sengsain perthei baper ha ka jela kelanang thnem kat nang mi ki sngi Henry na kaliang nongyelam jong ka parti PDF ba Banteidor lingdo ulo ong bana kaliang ka jong unam tre ban ino e ka parti PDF namar bodeu nongyelam jong ka parti bat unyele ban Pynkhlain Shuh ya ka parti na ka benta banya aireng ha ka election hajar polai ulo ong ru baki pajba hi ha ka jela kilakwa abani I bagi seng riulum kin ya telino banyo banwan ha ka bor ulo ong ru bahaki benai banwan kin sadon kin nongyalam na ki weipat ki parti banwan penyeso elade syaka parti PDF
status. No, right now this is not the appropriate time for me to talk about that. But definitely we have to start to to prepare for the 2023. But it seems like the minds, the perception of the people, they want to see that political party like regional party they should come up. That's what the perception.
But you will remain with the PDF.
Yeah, definitely. I'm the PDF. Come on, I'm a president. Why are you asking me that kind
Because
of question?
a lot of changes happening.
No. I'm a man of principle. Remember that. From my childhood till now, I'm a man of principle. When I stick something which I do for the best, for myself, for my family, and for my people, that I'm stick till now. Nobody can change me that.